welcome back to The Chores Right. Got to the gym on time this morning, and it's leg day, so even though I'm a little sniffly, we persevere. We did so much running around today, and it made me really consider not doing any chores, but I think a big value in this whole turning my to-dos into content is that, for one thing, I know that I want to make a video, so I'm just going to do it so that it's aesthetic. And another thing is also, it's kind of vain, but I've been re-watching these, and that's so motivating. So anyway, good night.